Hey everyone, welcome back to Healing Herbs Hub, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of natural wellness. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most vibrant superfoods, beetroot powder. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, enhance your workouts, or simply add a burst of color to your meals, this video is for you. Now, beetroot powder is simply dried and finely ground beets. Despite its humble origins, this ruby red powder is packed with powerful nutrients like nitrates, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Now you might be wondering, what do these nitrates do for my body? So let's break it down. When you consume beetroot powder, the nitrates are absorbed in your digestive system and travel through your bloodstream. Your body then converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a key molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. Think of it as opening up the highways in your circulatory system, allowing blood to flow more efficiently. This means better oxygen delivery to your muscles and a natural energy boost. But that's not all. Beetroot powder is also loaded with antioxidants like betalains. These antioxidants help fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation, protecting your cells and supporting overall health. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to stay healthy, this powder is a game changer. Now, let's get creative. I'm going to share 3 easy DIY recipes so you can start incorporating beetroot powder into your daily routine. Ready? Let's go. First up is our energizing beet smoothie. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, 1 banana for creaminess, 1 cup of almond milk or your favorite milk, a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient kick, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for natural sweetness, and a few ice cubes for texture. You will want to simply blend all the ingredients until smooth. Enjoy your smoothie knowing that every sip is boosting your blood flow and energizing your body. Next up, we have beet-infused energy bars, perfect for an on-the-go snack. Here's the list. 1 cup of pitted dates, ½ cup of almonds or walnuts, 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and a pinch of sea salt. In a food processor, blend the dates and nuts until they form a sticky mixture. Add the beet powder, chia seeds, and salt, and pulse until everything is combined. Press the mixture into a lined baking tray, chill for at least 2 hours, and then cut into bars. Now you've got a nutritious snack that's as delicious as it is energizing. And finally, let's whip up a vibrant beet salad dressing. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 teaspoon of beetroot powder, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a drizzle of agave nectar, and salt and pepper to taste. You will want to whisk everything together until smooth, then drizzle over your favorite salad. It's a tangy, colorful dressing that not only tastes amazing, but also supports your heart health. Alright, so now you've seen how versatile beetroot powder can be. From smoothies to snacks to salad dressings, it's an easy way to pack in a punch of nutrients. And if you're wondering where to get this superfood, here are a few tips. You can often find high-quality beetroot powder at your local health food store or organic market. Plus, online retailers like Amazon and Thrive Market offer a wide selection. And don't forget to check out your local farmers markets for fresh, locally made options. As you can see, beetroot powder is an amazing addition to your wellness routine, supporting your heart health, boosting your energy, and reducing inflammation. It's a small change with a big impact, perfect for athletes and anyone wanting to live a healthier lifestyle. Please share your beetroot powder recipes or experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're boosting your health with this vibrant superfood. Thanks for watching.